Hey guys, John Rapp and Metal Fab here today, showing off some parts that we're doing for some customers all across the world just like yourself. One of the things that I want to point out today is, do you need parts fast? Do you struggle with getting parts quickly? Well, that's where we can come in and help fill that void, hence the name Rapid Metal Fab. We do all of these parts at any given time. We have mechanical engineering, we have electrical engineering for control panel building, PLC programming, you name it. We are a contract manufacturing service. And so please give us a call or shoot us an email with an application that you might have that we can help with. We can save you time and we can save you money. After running for 9 years an OEM manufacturing company, I completely understand the issues and troubles with working with outside vendors such as metal fabrication and controls. That's where we come in. We eliminate those issues and those problems because we do things quickly and we get them done right for you. So please give us a call or shoot us an email if you have an application that you think we can help you with. We're always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.